How to log into your BBSI payroll account. So let's get started. To log into your BBSI payroll account, first just head over to any of your browser and simply search in for BBSI payroll account login, just like this. So as you can see, I've searched in for that, and you can just tap on the first link over here, which is the official website of BBSI. So just tap on the first link, which will open a login portal. And from over here, you can actually tap on this login button either at top right corner, or you can also tap in this login to by BBSI option over here. If you are a manager of that or work in an administration option, you can also tap on this. So as an employee, you can also do that. And once you do that, after clicking on that, you just have to wait for a few seconds until the page loads up for you. And from over here, you just have to enter your Gmail address, register Gmail address from over here, and simply click on continue. And for some reason there's an unexpected error over here, so once you do all of that, just click on continue, and it will prompt you to enter your password. Just enter your password, and if you ever forget your password, there will be a forget button to simply reset your password and just re-enter with your login credentials, and you should be successfully logged into your BBSI account, just like that. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.